Howdy folks, Nathan Adlin here from the Fastlane Car, and I'm at the 2015 North American International Auto Show in Detroit, and behind me, the brand new Ford GT. A couple big announcements. 1, over 600 horsepower. 2, mid-engine. 3, they're going to build it. That's right, they announced that they're going to build it next year. So coming up next, some really good footage. Stay tuned.
So, what do you think?
I've got serial number 1 of the 2003, and I never thought we were going to top it. I think we just did. So tell them, why don't you tell them what we're going to do with this?
So, Bill, you think we ought to build it?
Yeah, I think we should.
All right. So, how about we build it? How about next year?
Sounds good.
Well guys, I know that's a really big crowd behind me, it's a throng, but at least you got the really good footage that TFL was able to get for you first. For the Fastlane Car, this is Nathan Adlin. Stay tuned for a lot more coming from the North American International Auto Show.